Hello and welcome to the video tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to upgrade the RAM and locate SSD and show other components. So here's all the screws you need to remove. Please note the bottom 4 screws, the screws are smaller in size, so keep them separate. Use a Phillips head like this. Put your finger now in between this cover here so you can get a grip to undo the casing. Use a tool like this to get in between the cover, just like this. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the motherboard, which consists of all the hardware. So here's your RAM here, takes one slot. There's embedded memory too, 4 GB. I'm gonna upgrade it now. So very easy to put in. Turn the RAM stick like this and insert it. Easy. Let's locate other components. This is the SSD. One screw to remove. So you've got to remove this. This is your Cmos battery, RTC, very easy. Pull it out from this connector. Just like this. The Cmos battery is adhesive. If you wanted to remove your battery, 1, 2, 3 screws you need to remove. And this is the battery connector. You just pull it out from there and you just lift it up. Very easy. And if you want to put an SSD in there, 2.5 inch, there's the caddy already there. You just put the screws in there and you insert it. And time for the back cover. You just put it in again and you put all the screws, and then that's it, job done. Very easy to upgrade. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe.